Hi guys, we're coming to you with an honest review to make your life squeaky clean. You guys can check out HAVA's Amazon link in the description down below so we can go through their product together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video then checking out the product. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the Amazon link is in the description below. So today I'm super excited to show you guys one of the things that I found that makes my life a million times easier: the HAVA portable dishwasher. So it's a countertop dishwasher with 5 liters of a built-in water tank, an inlet hose, 6 programs, baby care function, and even has an air dry function to make it super convenient. The tabletop dishwasher only measures 17 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, but can hold up to 4 place settings and fit up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle. The storage rack and cutlery basket make it super easy to clean. The top rack only items such as knives, forks, and spoons, and leaves more space for dishes and small pots. It has a 5 wash cycle option in dry mode. It supports normal speed, speed clean, eco, heavy, and baby care, and fruit modes for your various dishwashing needs. After each wash cycle finishes, an extra dry mode provides an extra 60 minutes of drying and offers 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors and keep your dishes clean. It also caters a 360 degrees cleaning without blind spot. 14 water ports on the spray arm are designed to provide both top and bottom spraying for a 360-degree clean coverage, rinsing your dishes thoroughly and giving them a sparkling clean finish, and surprisingly reduces water consumption by 75% and saves a lot of energy. The dishwasher only consumes 5 liters of water per wash and only 1/4 the amount of used when hand washing. The energy efficiency rating of A grade and operates at 900 watts, making it a great energy saving choice for every family. With 2 water supply modes for various needs, the countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, including a water tank mode and a faucet mode. Simply add water to the built-in 5-liter water tank or connect the included hose to the water inlet and faucet. A compact design makes it perfect for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, campers, RVs, and a lot more. The built-in filter system is designed to prevent large food particles from getting lodged inside the pump. For best performance and results, you can just regularly clean out the filter system as well, like once a week or maybe a couple days. The dishes are loaded at an angle, so the large tableware basket allows you to maximize space and arrange your dishes perfectly. It honestly fits up to 12 inches of dishes loaded at an angle. A storage rack and cutlery basket are used to store cups, knives, forks, and spoons, keeping your dishes scratch-free. The dishwasher features a built-in LED lamp, which will switch on automatically when the door is open, helping you load and unload dishes conveniently. It even runs at a super low noise level with less than 50 decibels, which means it won't disturb you, your family, or even next-door neighbors. Overall, I was super ecstatic about how the HAVA portable dishwasher turned out. When I got it, it was packed super well. This was definitely a high quality machine. Installment was insanely easy. It took me about 5 minutes. The operation is easy. Filling in the water, clicking the button, and it's all ready to go. This is absolutely a lifesaver. At my place, we don't have a dishwasher, so we've been struggling washing dishes by hand every single day. Purchasing this and grabbing it was one of the best choices I've ever made, so definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out HAVA's Amazon link in the description down below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!